Guys, in today's video we are going to paint this beautiful daisy flower painting in simple 3 steps. Without any further delay, let's get started. I have taken my black canvas for this painting. This sap green we are going to use for the first step, that is the leaves. I am using my liner brush to paint the leaves. I am just painting the basic shape of the leaf, not the entire detail of a leaf. Trust me guys, the first step is really very easy. All you need to do is paint some leaves in the entire canvas. And don't forget to enjoy the process. We are moving to the second step, that is the stems. For that I am mixing up green and yellow to paint the stems. I am just painting some curved lines for the stems. Take your time and enjoy the process. Once we finish the stems, we are going to paint some leaves in the stems. I am using my liner brush here. If you are not having a liner brush, then no problem. Use the smallest round brush you have and use it instead of the liner brush. It will also give you the same result. I know it takes a long time to finish this, but have patience and finish this. Once it was done, we are going to paint some leaves on the stems. For the leaves, I am using the same color, yellow and green. Remember that the leaves you are painting now must be brighter than the leaves we painted earlier. So make the green mixing up with yellow. Then we are going to the third step, that is the flowers. For that I have chosen purple and magenta. I am mixing up these two colors to get an amazing shade of purple. Adding some white to it to make the color more vibrant. Now I am going to paint each petals in the flower. So I have chosen this small detail brush for that. Once we finish the first layer of the flowers, we are going to paint the second layer of the flower, but we add some white to the color to make the color more vibrant than the first layer of the colors. Remember that you should know the first layer is completely dry so that we can go with the second layer. And remember that the first layer of the petals must be larger than the second layer of the petals. So now we are painting the second layer of the petal is smaller than the first layer of the petals. So keep it in your mind and have fun. Once we finish the second layer of the petals, we are moving to the third layers of petals. Before that, we should check the second layer of the petals is completely dry. I just added more white to the purple for the third layer of the petals. Also, this third layer of petal must be smaller than the first layer and second layers of the petals. If we paint the flowers with the layers of petals, it makes the painting more easy and interesting. Once we finish the third layer of the petals, we are going to paint the stamen in the flower. some depth to the stem and I am painting this with some burnt sienna. If you love to paint flowers, then you can watch all my flowers painting tutorial and it will be more helpful to you. Now I am adding some small birds in this painting. To make the painting even more beautiful, I am painting some yellowish green leaves here and there. Adding some white highlights in the petals. This step is completely optional. If you find your painting is beautiful and you don't want to do this step, then that is okay. I am just adding some extra details to this painting. I am adding some lines on the petals, some white lines on the petals. Almost 3 hours of painting, we finally finished this masterpiece. I really love this daisy flower painting and each layer of the petals is really amazing and I'm very happy to share this video with you all. If you love this painting, let me know in the comment section. Thank you everyone for supporting me. I will meet you guys with another beautiful painting. Until then, have fun with colors.